Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about the LEMFO TV98 TV Stick. This amazing device supports 8K video and 4K Wi-Fi 6, making it the perfect addition to your home entertainment system. The LEMFO TV98 TV Stick is a high-performance portable streaming media player that is powered by Android 12. With a powerful quad-core ARM Cortex A53 processor, this TV stick ensures smooth and seamless streaming of your favorite shows and movies. The Mali G31 MP2 GPU delivers great graphics performance, allowing you to enjoy crystal-clear visuals and high-quality audio on your TV or smartphone. Any of the notable features of this TV stick is its support for 8K video, which delivers an immersive viewing experience. Whether you want to play games, enjoy movies, or watch game and screen sharing, the LEMFO TV98 TV Stick has got you covered. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to stream your favorite shows and movies wirelessly, eliminating the need for messy cables. In addition, the TV Stick supports 4K HDR, 2.4G 5G dual-band Wi-Fi, and comes with a Bluetooth remote with Google Assistant. This means that you can easily find what you're looking for, whether you're searching for your favorite show, song, or asking about the weather. The voice remote also has dedicated Netflix and Prime Video buttons for quick access. The LEMFO TV98 TV Stick is easy to set up, and with Google Play Store, you can download your favorite streaming and gaming apps and stay entertained for hours. It supports both Dolby and DTS surround sound, and with built-in Chromecast, you can easily cast videos and other content from your phone, tablet, or laptop directly to your TV screen in 1080p overall. The LEMFO TV98 TV Stick is a versatile and powerful device that brings limitless entertainment to your fingertips. If you're looking to upgrade your home entertainment system, this TV Stick is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in purchasing the LEMFO TV98 TV Stick, you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.